argue matter of taste. We can't all afford those big upgrades. But I'm just like you, trying to make my great escape. Away from politics, lunatics, and the interstate. If you got a Jeep or a side-by-side, whatever kind of 4x4 you ride, we can rip it up all day and chill at night. If you like guns, fishing and hunting, hella good music, let me tell you something. If you're living wild and free, hey, you're alright with me. If you're chasing that back road dream, we're off-road family. Raising the same old hell, making our own kind of heaven out on the trail. Pull those tires by the fire tonight, pass the shine around. Cause no matter what you try, tomorrow is going down. If you got a Jeep or a side-by-side, whatever kind of 4x4 you ride, we can rip it up all day and chill at night. If you like guns, fishing and hunting, hella good music, let me tell you something. If you're living wild and free, hey, you're alright with me. If you're chasing that back road dream, we're off-road we might fight and not always get along, but you're never alone. If you got a Jeep or a side-by-side, whatever kind of 4x4 you ride, we can rip it up all day and chill at night. If you like guns, fishing and hunting, hella good music, let me tell you something. If you're living wild and free, hey, you're alright with me. If you're chasing that back road dream, we're all chasing that back road dream. We're off-road family. Hey, hey, off-road family. Hey, hey, off-road family.
Some guys love their shiny cars, designer jeans and martini bars. But I like to keep it real in the gravel and the clay with my oversized wheels. We can have some good clean fun and get caked in the mud. Let's get a little off-road where the 4x's go, make some dirt fly high, put on a show, spinning and grand until the sun sinks low. There's a no trespass sign past the county line. We can tear it up, hear the engine on a wide. What do you say, girl? Let's go and get a little off-road. Let's drive on through this square peg town. Got a full tank to burn before the sun goes down. I got 4 new tires and a 10-inch lift on this F-150 with a 6-ton winch. There ain't no bog, no swamp, no riverbed that we can't make it through. Let's get a little off-road where the 4x go, make some dirt fly high and put on a show. Spinning and grin until the sun sinks low. There's a no trespass sign past the county line. We can tear it up, hear the engine on wide. What do you say, girl? Let's go.
Think I can make it? Yeah. Let's go that way. Watch out, Nala.
Get a little off-road. Get a little off-road where the 4x go, make some dirt fly, put on a show, spinning and grin until the sun sinks. There's a no trespass sign past the county line. We can tear it up, hear the engine on wide. What do you say, girl? Let's go. Get a little off-road. Get a little off-road. Get a little off-road, yeah.
Sitting in 6-lane backed up traffic, horns are honking, I've about had it. I'm looking for an exit sign. Gotta get out of here, get it all off my mind. Then like a memory from your grandpa's attic, a song comes slipping through the radio static, changing my mood. A little George Strait, 1982, and it makes me wanna take a back road. Makes me wanna take the long way home. Put a little gravel in my travel, unwind, unravel all night long. Makes me wanna grab my honey, tear down some 2-lane country. Who knows? Get lost and get right with my soul. Makes me wanna take a back road.
I've got these new things here. My other ones were shot, so I did get these, but I'm still hearing a lot of noise. But he said everything else is fine, so I don't know. But these things definitely were shot on the other one. Hi, Nala. You want to go play fetch? You want to go do some fetch?
I've been cooped up, tied down, bow, forgotten what a field looks like, full of corn and cotton. If I'm gonna hit a traffic jam, well, it better be a tractor man. I'm so sick and tired of this interstate system. I need a curve and wind, a twist in a dusty path to nowhere, with the wind blowing through my baby's hair. Yeah, it makes me wanna take a back road. Makes me wanna take the long way home. Put a little gravel in my travel, unwind, unravel all night long. Makes me wanna grab my honey, tear down some 2-lane country. Who knows? Get lost and get right with my soul. Makes me wanna take a back road. Some old back road. Maybe it's the feeling, or maybe it's the freedom. Maybe it's that shady spot where we park the truck when things get hot. Girl, we park the truck when things get hot. And it makes me wanna take a back road. Makes me wanna take the long way home. Put a little gravel can my travel, unwind, unravel all night long. Makes me wanna grab you, honey, tear down some two-lane country. Who knows, get lost and get right with my soul. Makes me wanna take a back road, some old back road, get back with my soul. All I gotta do is take some old back road to the shady spot where things get hot, girl. Way down, way down, way down, some old back road.
She just goes. Drop it. One. Is that good?
Here, give me the thing.
Let her rest for a couple seconds.
All right. You need to rest. You need to rest, Nala.
Sit.
Sit down. Good girl. I christened thee Nala Pup.
Nala pup.
Nala Pup.
Fox is like, hey, how come I can't go that far? She runs far, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And fast.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you cool down some more? Why don't you cool down before you have a doggy stroke?
She's like, but I just want to get the ball.
Just calm down. No doggy strokes.
She loves this.
No doggy strokes for you today. No, not yet. When you stop breathing like you're dying,